Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the July kit. Now, it seems like June just went so fast. Seems like we just mailed the June kits out. But it's almost time to mail the July kits out. And we have all of the products except the stamp set, and it should be here probably by Saturday. But I'm going to slide a picture of it in here of the prototype. It won't be the actual stamp, but it'll be the prototype that May sends to me when they get the stamp sets made up. So, of course, first you get your nice waterproof zipper bag, and I know you guys are getting a good supply of these. I use these for everything. I put my pens and markers in here. I put scraps in here, just whatever. They're great to take along with you. They zip up, they're waterproof, and they're the mesh, so they don't tear or anything like that. So you get that first. This is, somebody asked me what size these were. This is about 11 and a half, looks like, maybe almost 12 by 9 1/4. So that's the size of this bag. It's a nice size. All of your items come in here, except sometimes we can't get the cardstock in here, but your other items come in here so that they don't damage or anything. Then you get cardstock. This month, the cardstock is one of my absolute favorites from American Craft. This is the smooth craft cardstock, and I love it. And it goes so good with the paper pack. You'll see in just a minute. And then this is kind of a peach, a light peach color that you'll get. So you get the cardstock. This is a nice grade of cardstock as well. Tell you what, I'm going to lay these out as I go along. That way we can kind of see what we're getting in here. Like I said, I can't show you everything, but I'm going to show you what I can. I like for you to have a little bit of a surprise. Now, most of you ask, and we listened. A lot of you asked for more paper, so we listened. This month, you're going to get a full 6x6 paper pad. This is from Prima, and it's called Golden Coast. It is beautiful. You'll get 30 sheets of paper in here. And I am going to flip through it real quick. I'm not going to take a lot of time. It looks like you get 4 sheets, maybe 5 sheets of each one. But it's gorgeous. It's a good quality paper. As you know, Prima does quality paper. And look at that. Look at that. And it's got sailboats on the back. And then that one, it's got the balloon on there. I love that stripe. That's so pretty. And then this one, it looks like a map maybe on there. And then that, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Pretty, pretty. So a full pack of this. We have, we left off the die this month because a lot of you said that you have dies. And we've given dies for the first probably 4 or 5 months. So a lot of you have the dies that you're working with. So we left off the die. We left off the little ink pads because a lot of you said you didn't need the inks because you have your own favorite inks that you use. So we left off those 2 things, and then we added in the extra paper. So hopefully that will help you a lot. So look at this. That's pretty too. I love this paper. And I'm a fan of Prima. I don't know how many of you out there are, but I am a big fan of Prima. I like the quality of their paper. Then you will get some pink ribbon. I think it's about a yard and a half of that. I can't remember. Then you will get either or one of these washi tapes. I'm not sure which one. Instead of having to take a little bit off of each one of these and put it on the acetate like we had before, we just split them up and give, you know, this person, this one, this person. I don't know which one you'll get in your kit, but you'll get one of these beautiful washies that go with the collection. This is from the same collection. I love this one just as much as I love this one. And a lot of times I use the thinner washi more than I use the thick. So If you get the thinner, don't think that we're trying to gyp you or anything. All of them are beautiful. So that is what you'll get, one of those. And then your ephemera pack, this month it's going to be in the bag that's kind of brown striped. Let's see, get all the stuff out of here. So you also get the bag, and you can definitely use that bag in your projects. You get some flowers. We listened to you on that. A lot of you said you'd like to have more flowers. I don't know if this is how many you get in your kit, or if this is just what was on this one, but I know you get quite a few flowers. This has got flowers and leaves in it. This is from the same paper collection. So you get flowers. You get your bling, of course. All different sizes, and some of them are that iridescent. They're really pretty. And then my favorite, and they're going to be in a pack like this, where Melina took time and squished down each one of the little prongs on the back so that they wouldn't puncture anything. She took the time and did that and packaged them up. But you'll get these little butterflies. They are brad butterflies. You get those in your kit. And then you get some ephemera. Of course, we always like our ephemera. Really, really pretty. It's got a gold foil on it. A lot of them do. Let's get to the ephemera. This is the cards. We'll do those in a minute. So here's the ephemera, and see, a lot of them's got that gold foiling on there. I think you can see it when I move it. They're pretty. Love that one. That is so cute. It'd make a really cute card to send to somebody that's just bought a house or something. And then the little tags to and from, and all of that. So you get all that ephemera. And then you get some 3x4 journaling cards. And these go directly with the paper collection. They are double-sided, so you can use either side. I think all of the backs are the same. It's just the fronts that are different. Look at that. Pretty, pretty. Love it. Find me at the beach. And I love the beach. I don't know, how many of you like the beach? Let me know in the comments below. Feeling golden. I absolutely love the beach. It's a place that I can go and just be myself and just sit and relax and read a book. I love it. I find paradise with you. Salty but sweet. And then a little crab. So you get, I don't know how many of the little 3x4 cards, but this is what you get along with the stamp set, and then a few more little goodies that are sneaking over there, but I'm not going to show you those. But this is it, guys. I hope you really love this kit. I absolutely am in love with it. I think it's going to be one of the best kits that you're going to have. This is enough paper to make you a nice size mini album, and then you'll have enough cardstock that you can do that with too. But let me know in the comments below what you think about this kit. I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be wonderful. I think you're really going to love it. Remember, this is the July kit. We do have just a few left over after we send out all the Kit Club members their kits. But there's not going to be many. So if you want one, you better go ahead and sign up now, because they will go fast. Once this video goes up, they usually do. So I'm going to put a photo at the front of this, and I'll put a photo over in the members room. And if you're not signed up, go ahead and sign up. And keep in mind that if you are a member of our Kit Club, you get 15% off of all of the items in our store. So anything that's in our store that we're selling, you get 15% off by using a special code that we send you when you sign up for your kit. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.